nonwoven bags, which are being used all over the country to package goods, are proving to be very dangerous to livestock. For example, this dairy goat, John, which was a variable and healthy goat, was last year, that is 2022, suddenly found dead. And when a postmortem examination was carried out to find out the cause of death, it was found out to have died of suffocation as a result of respiratory distress. Further examination, it was revealed that there was a mass of foreign material in the rumen part of in the stomach, and on cleaning this material, it was found to be an assortment of nonwoven bags, some of which had entangled to form a rope material. So these nonwoven bags have been promoted as eco-friendly or environmental friendly as compared to the nylon materials, which have since been banned, or the plastic materials that were used previously, and which over the years, as early as the 1990s, they used to be a menace to the farmer, as they used to block the stomachs of animals, and veterinarians were forced to carry out surgical operations to remove these materials from the animals' stomachs. And this used to be very costly to the farmer, either through the operations or the surgical operations, and also through loss of the animals if the problem was not diagnosed and attended to in time. So as recent as a few years back, the nonwoven bags have been removed in the stomachs of animals, either at postmortem or at slaughter, and even veterinarians are being forced to carry out surgical operations to remove these materials from the stomachs of animals, as they cause blockage and the animal becomes very thin and eventually dies. As it can be witnessed in this case, these nonwoven bags are being found out to be the problem. You can see this greenish or green color nonwoven bag has just been removed from the stomach of this cow. So these nonwoven bags are as costly as the nylon bags or the plastic bags as far as livestock production is concerned. And therefore, their control should be carried out, because animals get these plastic bags from dumping sites or garbage dumping sites, and they can also get them at homesteads if these papers are thrown carelessly into the compound. So the control is carried out through use of or rearing animals in the zero grazing units, where the animals are fed and watered, and what gets into them is controlled. And the plans for constructing these zero grazing animals are usually easily available in the livestock production offices countrywide. If the animals have to graze on pastures, then these pastures need to be clean. They need to be inspected regularly to ensure that there are no nonwoven bags. And in the first place, no nonwoven bags should be thrown into these pastures. Further, the usage of nonwoven bags can be reduced through use of biodegradable materials like the khaki packaging bags. And if somebody insists on having packaged material repackaged in nonwoven bags, they should be charged or pay for it, or the material should be packaged in cartons, or which are biodegradable or any biodegradable material. But more importantly is to reuse these papers or these bags as many times as possible. You just clean them and package them and reuse them. So this brings me to the end of today's presentation. I hope it has been informative. If you have liked it, kindly give it a thumbs up. And until next time, thank you very much.